Hey guys, this is Evewin Lakra. So today is 3rd September 2020 and just now I received my big order from FLIPKART India. So this is the product I've ordered. This is the Orient brand ceiling fan. This is a 12 millimeter ceiling, 1200 millimeter ceiling fan, actually not 1200 millimeter ceiling fan. And the electric wattage of this ceiling fan is really less. 50 watt is the electricity this fan consume, which is really nice. Usually fan consume in this segment consume 70 to 80 watts, but this Orient Ujala is an energy saver fan. So I purchased this product. I'm gonna post the description of the product in the description of the video so that you can have a better understanding about the technical specification of the product. So guys, let me read out some of the key points about Orient Ujala ceiling fan. The motor is fully copper, air delivery is 220 cmm, the blades are made up of aluminium or aluminium. The power consumption is really less and superior paint finish. So guys, let me open the product for you so that you can have a better look about the product. Let's open. One more thing I want to tell you guys, this will be the third Orient fan in our house. Usually we have the experience of using Orient PSPO. Many years back we purchased that fan and it's still running smoothly. No servicing till now and it's running really smooth. So that is why I purchased the same brand ceiling fan, Orient Electric. It's the brand of CK Birla Group. Let's open the box. So we have a cardboard protective over here. Cardboard protective. This is the fan board. Let's open. Fan board. Looks really shiny, huh? Shine bright like a diamond. It's shining like a diamond. So guys, these are the blades of Orient Electric Ujala fan, ceiling fan. Blade number 1. I'll keep it over here on the white so that you can have a better look about the product. Orient Ujala ceiling fan. This is the third blade. It's looking super shiny. Guys, now it's time to open the motor. Let's open the big box. These are the two canopy or the cover which goes up and down to hide the wires, and the capacitor of the fan to make it look even more beautiful. This is the 2-year warranty card. Orient Electric is providing 2-year warranty card on the Orient Ujala ceiling fan, which is really nice. So thumbs up to Orient for this. And this is the main motor. I forgot to show you the connecting rod. This is the down rod made of steel or iron, and this is the main motor. It's not very light, it's heavy. So guys, this is the main motor and it's around 3 to 3.5 kg weight. These are the parts you'll get in the Orient Ujala 1200mm ceiling fan. At first glance, the fan is looking really premium. It's really shiny. The motor assembly, the motor part is feeling really heavy, and it's 100% real copper inside, which will last a long time. And Orient has been producing fans for many years, so thumbs up to Orient. Guys, I forgot to tell you about the price of the product. So the price of Orient electric Ujala 1200mm ceiling fan M.R.P in India is rupees 1999 is written on the box, and I have purchased this Orient Ujala ceiling fan at a wonderful offer from FLIPKART India. I've just paid rupees 1300 for the ceiling fan. I'll post the link of this product in the description of the video so that you can also avail the offer. So guys, grab the offer before the stock ends, and if you like the review video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is free, because plenty of more product review videos like these are coming really soon. This is Evewin Lakra saying peace to all. Don't forget to watch the upcoming part of this video. I'm gonna make a video about the installation of this Orient Ujala fan in the upcoming days, so keep an eye on my YouTube channel for that video. And happy fanning!
I love Orient fan. Very cool.
There goes the plane. Evewin.